What's going on, Bessie Gang? In this episode, we're going to be taking the stator and rectifier and taking that one continuous loop that we had soldered together last year and making it into a connector on both ends so that we can connect and disconnect it. Trying to service some things on the bike and taking off that cover without having that connection to the rectifier makes it very difficult to remove that cover. So we're going to go ahead and, like I said, add a connection in line to that, and we should get rid of that issue for us. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead, get the cover off, get the rectifier off, and get the connection soldered on there. Alright gang, so it's been a couple of days since that last clip, and we've got the connection made for the stator rectifier. Came out pretty nice. The kit that I had purchased from Amazon seemed to work very well. So we're going to go ahead, just wipe some things off. Got some gasket maker. We're going to put a nice good bead around the case here, slap it back on the bike, and we should be all done with the stator rectifier repair, and we'll move on to the next project, either the panel or the clip-on, and do some adjustments with the throttle cables too. Well, let's waste no more time and let's get to it. Gang, so as you can see, we got the case and the cover back on, just slightly snugged, letting the gasket maker kind of sit for a minute, get a little tacky, and then I'll finish bolting it down the rest of the way. And then we ran the cable, the wire that we made, can't see too well, up through here. It's connected down there. Went ahead, slid a new clip-on on. Gonna have to go dig through one of my bins and get some grips to put onto here. Other than that, that's going to be it for today's video. Got to order up a couple of more parts, a couple of more things that I want to do before I slap the airbags back on. change out the spark plugs for the season, get a new filter, and then yeah, that should be able to slap the airbox on. Other than that, the next video we're going to be tackling the problem with cracking the panels here and adding a new design to Bessie for the season. It's starting to get warm out, so we got to get the stuff ordered up quick and get the project taken care of. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and follow along for more adventures on Black Bessie Media. Peace.